Oh, whiny.
Oh my god, girls, this is gorgeous. We are in Strasbourg right now. Oh my god.
That thing makes me want to cry. Like, I'm gonna cry. Would you want to be building that steeple? I'm a potential architect, and I'm gonna cry.
This is me getting my caricature done.
Yeah. I love her teeth.
It's gonna look like that.
Yeah, okay. So there goes the hat. Little ears. Oh, this is cute.
We're in a lock and we're rising. Yay!
Are you?
Yeah, the pirate guy told us that we're rising about the size of a man, 1.8 meters. An old man, yes, an old man. Fun.
Didn't they say a grown man?
Wave.
I heard old.
Wave. Wave. Woo! Get with my friends, making love forever. Friendship never ends.
Look, algae.
Hi, Randy.
Oh, you were doing this to Zoe.
We're in a gondola in Venice.
Oh my god!
Yes, this is very true. This makes me happy.
You guys want chocolate? What?
We're in a gondola in Venice, and I have to pee and surrounded by water.
I'm Canadian, eh?
Say it again.
Moon.
One that will make all the other girls jealous, so we'll be the cutest. No, you can't.